Hello beautiful makeup lovers, welcome to my channel. My name is Carolin and in today's video we're going to recreate this look using this Indispensable Eyeshadow palette from Chanel, which is a limited edition eyeshadow palette, very versatile with warm and cool colors. You can use it during the day, during the night, absolutely beautiful. In this look I will also use this cream eyeshadow, which is absolutely beautiful. I will show you the color, very easy to use, and also I will show you swatches of the palette, which I didn't do in my last video. Let me show you the palette real quick. Beautiful. It has warm and cool tones. It's gonna be a very easy, simple look. Now my face has been prepped. I'm wearing foundation. I have the Ultra Le Teint along with the Beige, the water tint in color deep, and my foundation is in color 92. I love them both. I've been using them a lot lately. I'm not wearing any powder yet except for this part where I did my contour and I apply this Fenty Beauty Coconutty bronzer. But honestly, I am not sure if I really like this color. This is how it looks. In my concealer, I use the Chanel in color 91 Caramel. I'll be applying a little bit more after I finish my look if I need it. And without further ado, let's start. Okay, we're gonna grab the eye cream and eyeshadow with the Wayne Goss 26 Synthetic, and we're gonna apply it right at the end. It's gonna be a very simple look, right at the end of the eyes, right above the crease, but a little bit, let's make it a little bit intense right here and the outer corner. I really enjoy this palette. I've been wearing it non-stop. Again, you have 1, 2, 3 color stories, but you can mix and match as you desire. I really like it and I've been using it non-stop because the colors are simply just beautiful. Now on today's look, I will be using, since this color is kind of reddish brown, and want to intensify the outer corner because that's where we're going to accent. This reddish color right here is like a brownish reddish color. I'm going to come with the eye blender from Charlotte Tilbury and use this color, which is kind of lighter, and it will be kind of like my transition color, and I'm going to blend those edges right above. Let me clean the excess right here so we don't make it too messy. We look straight into the mirror to make sure that our eyes look even. And I noticed this one right here looks a little bit darker right here. And I go right above my crease because I have hooded eyes. And this creates the illusion so my eyes be more open. Now I will come in with, using the Tansedo brush, I will come in with this, you know what? I was thinking about using the silver color, then changed my mind, and again I wanted to use the pink because it's what I've been using more. So let me see how it looks with this color, because I have used the silver color but with this one, with this color, the brown color, which is more intense color or the deeper color. Blend, blend, blend is your friend. I came in with that pink color, this one, with this color here, right on the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, very simple. Now I'm going with that reddish color again, right here, to use it on my bottom lashes. And I will make the outer corner, the bottom outer corner, don't worry about any fallout, which there's basically absolutely nothing. Well, just a little bit right here where I have a little bit of that pinkish color, but I'll clean it up with concealer, don't worry. I'm gonna use the Sephora Detail 25 with this color right here, which is the first one. Now we're gonna blend, and we're gonna use the Chanel Noir color, the Intense Eye Pencil, to tie line my eyes, but also create some sort of line that I would blend and diffuse on the top eyelashes, right here at the end, to give me the illusions that my eyelashes are fuller and thicker. I'm gonna come back with the same pencil, with the same eye brush pencil, and see, I diffuse the eyeliner. Well, I think that's good enough. I will apply mascara before I retouch my concealer, and I start with my Dior. This is the Dior Maximizer 3D Chanel Le Volume Mascara. Alright, now we're gonna move to concealer, and I will apply a little bit to the top right here, because I want to clean those little mistakes. I will just use my Sonia Kashuk blender to even out my concealer, and then go to mascara on the bottom lashes. Perfect, and with this we complete the eyes. Now let's move to highlighter. Very quickly, I'm going to use the Soleil Tan de Chanel, and this is a liquid highlighter. It looks like this. And I will use, which is very interesting. I want to mention very quickly, this is the brush that came with Water Fresh Tint. Very nice. And this is the brush for foundation, both Chanel, and they look very, very much alike, except this one is a little bit bigger and more dense, but they're basically the same brushes. So if you don't have the foundation brush, the Chanel foundation brush, the new one, and you purchase the water tint, you don't need to purchase this brush, it's fine. And I personally love and favor this type of highlighter. Liquid highlighters are so forgiving. So forgiving. So good for people with texture, with fine lines. I really like it. And it makes your makeup last longer too. This is the YSL and color, the new highlighter, and this is in color 3. Okay, let's apply it. Gold color, beautiful. Perfect. For dark skin, I highly recommend it. For my finishing touch, I'm gonna be using the Universal Translucent Powder from Chanel, and this is in shade, let me see, shade 3. This is a Chanel brush, powder brush or contour brush. Now for blush, we're gonna use, this is the new travel face palette, and it's called the Blush and Illuminating Powder, and it's a palette Voyage Visage. This is how it looks. That's limited edition as well. Sorry guys. I'm gonna use those two colors. These two on the bottom with a Sonia G Pro Cheek Pro. I hope you can see in camera how it looks in my eyes. I'm gonna line up my lips using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Hot Gossip, and I love this color. I'm totally obsessed. It's the one I wear with almost all of my nude lipsticks. I will use the Rouge Allure 174 in the Rouge Angelique color, and this is how it looks. Beautiful nude pinkish color, and here it is. I hope the camera can focus enough to see. And with a lip brush, I will even out that color. And I will apply a little bit of this lip gloss, which is the 165, on the back of my hand. I don't like to apply the lip gloss directly to my lips if I'm wearing lipstick, because it changes the color of your lip gloss. This is how it looks. Kind of a rosy peach color. Love it. And with this, we completed look. I hope you like it. And I think the only thing I didn't like today about this look was the Fenty bronzer. Why? I think it might be a little bit too red for my skin color. It looks like this. It's kind of too red. I will give it a couple more tries and see how the color looks, probably wearing other foundations. Since I wore this combination, maybe that wasn't the best idea, and I need to test it with other foundations and other powders. We'll see. But about this palette, you need to get it. I think it's limited edition and you have to. It's beautiful. Day and night, it doesn't matter. These are 9 colors that you can take with you anywhere all year round. You can make a beautiful day look, a smoky, very sophisticated, blended with other eyeshadows, easy to use, wear them at night. They are perfect eye palette. For the cream eyeshadow, I highly recommend Chanel cream eyeshadows, but please don't forget to close it when you finish very tightly, because it happens to me with a couple of them. I didn't close them tightly and they dried off and cracked, and I had to throw them out, and it really hurt me because those were one of my favorites. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos like this. Leave your comments below. I will be glad to respond and share any tips with each other, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.